स्नेहा मैम नमस्ते। ओम शांति।
Namaste, sir. Om Shanti.
हाउ आर यू?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
माय वॉइस इज क्लियर आर नॉट?
Yes, sir. Your voice is clear.
ओके। टुडे heavy rain is here, so some
Okay.
network issue and no power supply is here,
Oh,
so compromise with session.
okay.
Okay.
Hello.
बाली योगा स्कूल नमस्ते। ओम शांति।
Namaste. How are you today?
आई एम गुड। So sit in any comfortable position for starting the session. Spine straight. Adopt chin mudra. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om, followed by opening mantra. Oh. योगेन चित्तस्य
Yogin Chittasya
पदेन वाचाम्
Padina Vacha
मलं शरीरस्य
Malam Sarirasya
च वैद्यकेन
Javedyakena
योपाकरोत्तम्
Yopakarotam
प्रवरं मुनीनां
Pravaram Munina
पतञ्जलिं
Patanjalim
प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि।
Pranjalina Stosti
ओ
Om.
Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palm. Apply an edge. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
So our Saturday's topic was pectoral girdle. Yes.
Yes.
How many bones are there in pectoral girdle?
There are total 126 or something.
That is the bones of appendicular skeleton, not
Yes.
pectoral girdle. How many bones in pectoral girdle? Bali Yoga School.
It's 7, 12, 5, 1, 1.
Yes, please.
How many bones are in pectoral girdle?
4.
4. Okay. 4 bones are there. 2 scapula and 2 clavicle.
Clavicle.
Clavicle is also known as collarbone, and scapula is shoulder blade. Okay, Neha ma'am, clear?
Okay, sir.
And what is glenoid cavity?
Can you
What is
repeat that?
What is glenoid cavity?
Glenoid cavity.
Yes.
I don't know. Is that from yesterday?
Yeah, it provides the attachment of like base of tongue and tongue muscle.
It is a socket type structure provided by scapula where humerus head articulates. It is a socket type structure provided by scapula where humerus head, that is ball type structure, articulates here, make joint. Now today's topic is upper limb. UPPER, upper LIMB, limb, upper limb. Upper limbs have 60 bones. Upper limbs have 60 bones.
60.
Yeah,
Or the
60.
60.
60,
60. Okay.
60 bones, 30 each side. Each side. Upper limb have 60 bones, 30 each side, 30 left and 30 right side. It divided into 5 parts. It divided into 5 parts. The first one is upper arm. Upper arm. You don't. It has a single bone. It has a single bone called humerus, Humerus, humerus. It is the longest and biggest bone of upper limb. It is the longest and biggest bone of upper limb. Second part is lower arm or forearm. Lower arm or forearm. Our forearm has two bones. Our forearm has two bones. Two bones. Radius, R-A-D-I-U-S, radius, and ulna, U-L-N-A, radius and ulna.
ULNA.
Yeah, U-L-N-A. Radius present at thumb side. Radius present at thumb side. Radius present at thumb side. And ulna at pinky finger side. And ulna at pinky finger side. Radius is a stronger bone. Radius is a stronger bone. Ulna is larger than radius. Larger than radius. And it is supportive bone of radius. It is supportive bone of radius. Look here. The upper part, this bone, upper arm bone named humerus. It is the longest and biggest bone of upper limb.
Humerus.
There is two bones in forearm. First one is radius, that is thumb side. Thumb side bone is radius. And second one is ulna, that is pinky finger side. Clear? So in upper and lower arm combinedly they have three bones only. Remaining 27 bones are there in our hand. In our hand portion there is 27 27 bones. Okay.
Can we write this, sir?
Okay. You can write.
So,
Upper and lower arm combinedly have 3 bones, and remaining 27 bones are there in our hand. Remaining 27 bones are there in our hand.
So it's as 60 bones in total and 3 parts. Or how many parts?
No. In 5 parts. 60 bones are total for both sides, left side and right side.
Yeah.
One side our limb have 30 bones only. 30 bones right side, 30 bones left side. Okay.
Yeah.
So upper arm have 1 bone, lower arm have 2 bones, and 27 bones are there in our hand.
Yeah, but how many parts? Didn't you say 5 parts or was it?
Yeah. I am going further.
Ah,
Write down the third part, that is wrist. Third part is wrist. WRIST. There is 8 in number bones in wrist. There is 8 in number bones in wrist. Known as carpal bones. CARPAL, carpal bones, BONES. Arranged in 2 rows. There is 8 in number bones in wrist, known as carpal bones, arranged in 2 rows. Clear? These 8 bones are the first one is trapezium.
Sir, can you spell it out for us?
Yeah, TRAPEZIUM. Trapezium. ZIUM.
Okay.
Trapezium. Second is scaphoid. Scaphoid, SCAPHOID. Scaphoid. Third one is lunate, LUNATE. Lunate, LUNATE. The fourth one is pisiform, PISIFORM. Pisiform, PISIFORM. Pisiform. The fifth one. Yeah. Triquetral, TRIQUETRAL. 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 TRIQUETRAL, triquetral. Sixth one is hamate, HAMATE, hamate,
HAMA.
HAMATE, hamate. Okay. Seventh is capitate, 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 capitate. And the last one is trapezoid, TRAPEZOID, trapezoid. Bali Yoga School.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
All good.
Any repetition required?
Any what?
Any repetition required?
Oh, no, no, no. All good.
Okay. So wrist bones are 8 bones known as carpal bones arranged in 2 rows. It starts from thumb side and rotates anti-clockwise, again goes to thumb. Okay.
So here only 8 bones.
Yeah,
this
here
part?
in this part, yes, in this part.
Oh.
There is only 8 bones in wrist.
Mhm.
Small bones are there.
Oh.
They are sliding bones. They have only sliding movement. Our fourth part is bones of hand are hand bones. Bones of hand are palm. You can write bones of palm, PALM. There is 5 bones in palm. There is 5 bones in palm. Known as metacarpal bones. Known as metacarpal bones. METACARPAL, metacarpal bones. They formed the palm. They formed the palm. And carpal. These are found in front of carpal.
Sir, can you repeat? Your voice is breaking. So
Yeah, these are found in front of carpals.
okay.
These are found in front of carpals. The fifth part and last part is finger bones. Finger bone. FINGER. Finger bones. FINGER. Finger bones. BONES. There is 14 finger bones. There is 14 finger bones including thumb. There is 14 finger bones including thumb. Each finger have 3 bones. Each finger have 3 bones. Except thumb. Each fingers have 3 bones except thumb. Our thumb has 2 bones. Yeah, our thumb has 2 bones. These bones called phalanges. These bones are called phalanges. These bones are called phalanges. Phalanges. These bones are called phalanges. Clear? Bali Yoga School.
Yep, clear. Thank you.
Okay. So these are all about our upper limb. Now we will move to pelvic girdle. Our next topic is pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle. What happens, Sneha ma'am? You have less pages.
No. Actually, I was like absent one day, na. So I like kept blank my 3 pages, and by mistake I am written there only. So now, so that I didn't found whatever the question you asked, it's all here. So
Okay.
yeah.
Our next topic is pelvic girdle. PLVIC. Pelvic girdle. GIRDLE. Also known as hip girdle. Also known as hip girdle. The pelvic girdle formed by 2 hip bones. The pelvic girdle formed by 2 hip bones.
Can I ask something?
The pelvic girdle formed by 2 hip bones. Repeat again.
Your first your connection is really
Bali
bad.
Yoga School, your voice is not clear. Repeat again.
Can you hear me now?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Repeat.
In the book that we got here from Bali Yoga School, it says the pelvic girdle is formed by a single bone. So is it 1 or 2 bones?
Yeah, there is 2 hip bones. Not single bone, there is 2 hip bones. 1 each side. There is 2 sides in hip bone. In hip girdle. In pelvic girdle, there is 2 bones. Look here.
Oh. Yeah, okay. So the book
This
is wrong.
This is one bone. This is another bone. Two bones are there. Okay.
Yeah.
The hip bones unite anteriorly.
Sir, your voice is breaking. I cannot hear you, sir.
Me neither.
Okay.
I think sir is already left the Zoom class.
I think something didn't work. Maybe we
Yeah.
just wait.
Hello.
Ah,
Okay.
no.
Nah, yes, sir, we can hear you. No, again, I think he exit, yeah. Mm. Hello, sir.
Sneha ma'am.
Yeah, we can
Now
hear you.
voice is clear.
Yes, voice
Hello.
is clear.
Bali Yoga School.
Yeah, I can hear.
Yeah, it's okay if sir
Okay.
is not there. You can just pause the video.
No, no problem. I changed the network.
Okay.
So there is two hip bones, also known as hip coxa.
Mhm.
The hip bones unite anteriorly. Anteriorly means front side. Here, look here. They
Okay.
unite anteriorly at a joint called the pubic symphysis. Write down. The hip bones unite anteriorly, anteriorly. The hip bones unite anteriorly at a joint pubic symphysis, SYMPHYSIS, pubic symphysis. This is pubic symphysis, the anterior joint, this portion.
Mhm.
This is cartilaginous joint. This is cartilaginous joint. This is cartilaginous joint. Cartilaginous, cartilaginous joint. cartilaginous, cartilaginous joint, formed by hyaline formed by hyaline cartilage, HYALINE, hyaline cartilage, CARTILAGE. They unite posteriorly. They unite posteriorly, 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 posteriorly. They unite posteriorly with the sacrum, with the sacrum, with the sacrum at a joint, they join posteriorly, they unite posteriorly
with the sacrum, with at a joint.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, they unite posteriorly with the sacrum.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Bali Yoga School. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Oh, I think he's gone now again. The connection today
Yeah.
is really bad.
Yes, yes. Because of rain, I guess.
Bali Yoga School.
Yeah, I'm here. Welcome back.
So we will repeat once again tomorrow this topic, the pelvic girdle.
Yes, please.
You have class now, alignment class.
Yeah, we have it yet now.
So let's close the session. Sorry for disturbance.
No problem.
Yeah.
Sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight. Adapt chin mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply for one time Om followed by closing mantra. Om. Om. पूर्णमदं
पूर्णमदं
पूर्णमिदं
पूर्णमिदं
पूर्णमुदच्यते
पूर्णमुदच्यते
पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्ण शांति 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 join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Eyes slowly and gently while blinking. Open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We will meet again tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.